Can I give you a different way of saying that?
Please.
Right? Because you're in a perishable situation where we might need something with a little bit extra momentum than just I'll be here when you need a good mover, because they're like, well, I already made a move. So if they go, man, I'm going with somebody else, Ian, I really appreciate your time. Thank you so much for letting me know, right? What's most important to me is that you guys have a good move. Hey, you couldn't do me a small favor, could you? And they're going to go, sure, or depends on what it is. And you're going to go, totally get it, or you're going with another mover. As you're, and I don't know where you're at in that process, but as you're working with them, if anything at all doesn't feel right, they're not calling you back, all of a sudden the numbers start to change. The dates are starting to change. The equipment that they're going to use or the crews that are going to be there, things don't feel right. Maybe it's just your spidey senses and you're like, kind of feels like this is an entirely different company than the one that sold us. Okay, please give me a call because I want this move to go right with you. I know that we can help you with it, but again, that decision is yours. And I respect the decision that you make, but if anything doesn't feel right, whatever you need, deal me in. You've got my number. I live and breathe this stuff, and I'm happy to step in wherever we're at in the process and help you however I can in there. Fair enough? And then they're going to, all you did was like Rambo, you just planted a bunch of trip lines for the other company, right? Because you didn't say they're making a mistake. You just say, couldn't do me a small favor, could you? Right? And they're like, sure, what is it? Thinking you're going to ask for referrals, and you're going to say, listen, I want to make sure this move goes great for you. I believe that we had it here, but again, it's not my decision to make. Love it that you found somebody else. Anything doesn't feel right, okay? Anything doesn't seem right. They're not showing up. Now all of a sudden you're calling and they're not calling you back, or numbers start to change, or things in the promises start to get flipped. Please call me, right? Because I know how important this move is to you, and I've seen these things go out of scope. Anything at all doesn't feel right, please call me. You've got my mobile. I want to make sure you guys get this taken care of. Now they're like, oh, and even if the job goes well, you might get a referral when somebody else that they know moves. They're going to be like, just call Ian, right? Because he cared. So it's a skillful way of painting all the picture that could go wrong without going, you're stupid for going with them. You're just going to say, that's great. I'm glad you got somebody, right? You couldn't do me a small favor, could you? Sure, what is it? Anything goes wrong. Anything doesn't feel right. Numbers start to change. People don't show up. They start calling you and saying they need to reschedule. Whatever happens, please, if there's anything I can do, please call me because I know how important this move is to you and I want to make sure it goes well. Hey, it's Matt Easton. If you like this video, you're going to love this. I'm going to teach you how to close right here, right now. I'm going to cover all the costs for you. We're going to get you the closing mini masterclass. I pick up all the costs. It's free to you. I'll cover the $299. Click the link in my bio. You're going to get access to the class. It's going to show you how to close anyone, anytime, without being pushy or manipulative. Your life is about to change. We're about to become best friends. Click the link in my bio. I'll cover the cost for you to learn how to close.